More stuff about sewing machines super quick. When you're sewing, there needs to be tension on your top thread and also on your bobbin thread. This is the tension system for your top thread. Bigger the number, higher the tension, lower the number, less the tension. Those tension discs can be open or they can be closed, and it is decided by this presser foot lever. When the presser foot lever is down, these tension discs are closed. So this presser foot lever must be up when you are threading your machine, otherwise your thread does not get in the tension discs. My tension for my bobbin is this in here. It's controlled by that little screw. Do not touch that screw. That is only for sewing machine technicians. Some types of sewing machines have a front-loading bobbin case. This metal plate under here has to get the thread shimmied under that. That is the tension system for this type of bobbin. This thing right here is called the take-up lever. It goes down and up as you're sewing. The take-up lever's job, after the thread goes around the bobbin case, the take-up lever's job is to bring the thread back up. If your take-up lever is not threaded, there is nothing bringing the thread back up after it goes around down here. You will get a thread nest. Your take-up lever must be at the top before you take your fabric out and cut the thread. That take-up lever's job will bring the thread up whether or not it has enough thread. If you just cut the thread this short and that thing is down, it will still bring it back up. And then your needle will get unthreaded and it will be painful. Tension issues and things with the take-up lever are why 90% of problems can be solved by rethreading your top thread and your bobbin thread. Somewhere on your sewing machine, you will have a stitch selector. This is on the side right here on this machine, and I can switch between which one of these stitches I can want to do. Most machines, unless it only does straight stitch, will have a stitch selector. It will also have a stitch length, and that controls how far forward do those feed dogs move your fabric in between every single stitch. It can go from 0, where it doesn't move at all the way up to a higher number. The highest number depends on what your machine has. Stitch width controls how far side to side things go. I've got my stitch width turned to 6. Look at this needle. This needle bar straight up moves side to side when I have a wider width. That is how you do your zigzags. It's literally the needle moving side to side. You can combine your stitch selector, your stitch length, and your stitch width to make all different weird kinds of stitches. You see how this here buttonhole is blue? And you see how this stitch length, it's blue between 0 and 1? That means when I'm doing buttonholes, I need to be in between 0 and 1, and the width needs to be between 3 to 6. See these green stitches? It means if I want things to look like that, my stitch length has to be between 0 and 2. And my stitch width, it doesn't matter with stitch width. These yellow stitches down here are stretch stitches. Usually, the way you get to stretch stitches is you go to stitch length, you go to 0, and then you go past 0. And that is how you get to those stretch stitches. Every machine is pretty much the same. Things are just located in a slightly different spot. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to do a cleaning video next.